Welcome to another Messenger tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to deactivate your Messenger account using the app. To get started, open the Messenger app. Once you're in, tap on the menu button in the top left corner to access the menu. From there, select the gear icon at the top right to open the settings. Now scroll all the way down until you reach the Meta Account Center. Tap on See More and then select Account Center. In this section, scroll down under Account Settings and choose Personal Details. Next, tap on Account Ownership and Control at the bottom. Here you'll find the option for deactivation or deletion. Go ahead and select that. When you choose deactivation or deletion, you'll see your Facebook account listed. Remember, Messenger is linked to your Facebook account, so to deactivate Messenger, you'll need to deactivate your Facebook account first. Select the Facebook account associated with your Messenger. Make sure Deactivate Account is chosen, and then tap Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your Facebook password, followed by a reason for deactivation. You can choose any option that suits you, then select Continue again. You'll see some options regarding logging out and saving your post archives. You can also set a reactivation time. By default, your account will reactivate automatically after 7 days, but you can change this to Don't Reactivate Automatically if you want it deactivated indefinitely. Once you've made your selections, tap Continue. You'll receive a confirmation that your Messenger account will be deactivated. Simply go down and select Deactivate My Account, and you'll see a final confirmation that your account is now deactivated. That's it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.